Hi, today going to show the tutorial video of the Pentax Espio 140. So first open the box first. Here's the camera, and inside here is the menu and the price tag lah. Yeah. So here is the camera, overall conditions, and the battery compartment is at here. Then we need to use the strap to open it. Yeah, you see here got a thing. Then we just use it to open it. Yeah. Then this camera using one CR123A battery. Then we just put inside and press it. Next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this, and here is the film. So about the film, we need to slide into it to make sure that the motor is fit into the center part of the canister. So like this, then push the top. Okay, then the film, we put it at here and make sure that your film is flat like this, and close it. It will auto load. Okay, so when here show figure 1, which means that you can now start shooting, right? And the on off button is at here. Click it to on it. Lens is clean and clear. And here is the zoom function. Zoom out. Yep. And here is the shutter button and viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, you half press. Yeah, you see bottom there got 2 lights. One is red light, one is yellow or green light. The green light is keep blinking, which means that it can't focus right now. And the red light stands for the flash, which means that the current situation will have flash. You still can fire the shutter, just the outcome might have a high chances that it will out of focus. If normally the correct one is like this. Let me show you. And far a bit. Wait, okay, yeah. You see, like this, it doesn't blink, which means that it's okay. Then we just shoot it. The center point of the viewfinder have a circle or bracket to. Then you can use it to aim whatever you want to focus and half press it. And when you half press, and the green light keep blinking, which means that it can't sense the focus point. So that we need to slightly adjust a bit, maybe aim far a bit. Then yeah, you see, like this means okay. And when you face to the bright places, then it won't trigger the flash, as is auto flash. And here got a positive and the minus function is designed for those people who wear specs. And when you look into the viewfinder, you feel like it's blur for you, then you just adjust it to let it become clear will do. Yeah. This designed for those people who wear glasses can view the viewfinder without their glasses lah. Yeah. And here is the flash function, and now it's nothing at here, which means that it's fully auto. If you click it, now it's force flash, which means that no matter what kind of environment, it will trigger the flash. This one is off flash, night mode. On the flash, night mode. Night mode is like slightly have a slow shutter speed lah. Yeah. Then this one is bug mode. Bug mode is when you click, yeah, if you didn't release the shutter, it will keep open it until you close. Yeah. Then this one is bug mode with flash, like that. Fully auto. Then this one is red light reduction, and I've tried with without it, and it doesn't matter lah actually. Yeah. Then this one is the autofocus mode. This one is focus to infinity mode. This one is spot AF, which usually we'll use it on maybe portrait or backlight situation. If normal, I think you just put it like blank will do. Yeah. Then this is the timer and the remote, but it doesn't come with the remote, so yeah, you can just ignore this lah. This one is double exposure, which it will shoot like 2 exposure in 1 frame. Like example, now is number 5. I use this mode, shoot it, still number 5, shoot it again, then only forward to the next part. Yeah. Then about the timer is same, aim, half press it, have a red light, then which means I start counting already. Usually like took like maybe 10 seconds like that. Okay, after that click it again, double exposure, and this is it. And here is the normal mode, and when you switch down, it will become panorama, which will become slightly narrow a bit lah. Then yeah, this is normal. Then if you didn't use it, click it to off it. And about the date, this one is the date imprinting lah. And if you want to adjust, now the format is the year, month, and date. Wow, the date there, the LCD a bit leaking lah. So, but it doesn't issue or affect the outcome. This thing is, if you set it like this, it will print inside your outcome. Yeah, like the bottom part there, showing like what time or what year you use it or shoot it lah. And we click it and see whether it got 2025 or not. Yeah, it doesn't until 2019 only. Then we just switch the mode to the date and the time. Click the select button, then adjust the time you want. Then this one is the minute. Okay, like that. If you don't want this appear inside your image, you just click like this will do, which is blank lah. Yeah. And when you should finish, it will auto rewind, so no worry in using. And hope you enjoyed.